Welcome back to Aviation This Week. Today's edition is brought to you by Livero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. I'm Justin Bellmore, and this is your aviation news. Your top story, a metallic magnesium maker for aerospace gets $30.9 million from Quebec. Then, Van Horn receives STC for composite blades on Bell 206L. And Pilatus comes first in a turboprop product support survey. We'll have all your aviation news right after this quick message from our sponsor. Alliance Magnesium signed a financing agreement with Investissement Quebec and the Government of Quebec's Economic Development Fund for $30.9 million to construct its first commercial phase at its facility in Danville, Quebec. The financing is in the form of a $17.5 million loan and a $13.4 million equity interest. AMI is engaged in the production of metallic magnesium and other valuable minerals from serpentine, which is ultimately sold in the markets of the aerospace and automotive industries to reduce their products' weight. AMI says the magnesium they work with comes from the recovery of a mining residue and is transformed by a clean electrolysis process. The company also says it has outlined a three-step development program that will eventually lead to an annual production of 50,000 tons in 2022 and the creation of more than 250 jobs. Construction of the first commercial phase will begin in the fall of 2018 and will be completed by the end of 2019. Van Horn Aviation received a supplemental type certificate from the FAA for composite main rotor blades installed on the Bell 206L Long Ranger helicopter. The new VHA Long Ranger main rotor blades have been approved with a 16,000-hour service life, which is 4 times the life of the current OEM metal blades. The blades feature carbon fiber skin and spars, titanium root grips, NASA-designed laminar flow airfoils, and tapered tips. VHA President Dean Rosenloff said that increases in manufacturing efficiencies learned through the past 2 years allow the company to temporarily lower the price of the Long Ranger main blades, but anticipate an increase in 2019 prices. Pilatus Business Aircraft placed first in the turboprop division of ProPilot's 2018 Corporate Aircraft Product Support Survey, holding on to its top status from a year ago. Pilatus, makers of the PC-12 and the PC-24 aircraft, has placed first in this category for the past 17 years. The product support category is based on the quality of post-purchase support provided by manufacturers. The winning score included first place in spares availability, cost of parts, and service satisfaction. This is Annex Business Media's Niche TV. Thanks again to our sponsor, Livero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. And make sure to tune in to our next episode on Friday, September 7th for the latest in aviation news. I'm Justin Bellmore. See you next time.